The best way of sharing your freeform diagram to people outside Apple ecosystem is to export your content as PDF. To do that on Mac, simply head to Files at the top and you will see it straight away, Export as PDF. Click on it and they will ask you for a name of your file and location on your computer. Simply click Export and that's it. Let's try to reopen this file in PDF format. And here's the PDF. As you can see, the program adjusts the size of the page in PDF to match your content exactly. So be sure you kind of tied up, organize your content to have a nice size of the page. For example, if I left something far away like here, the page will be stretched all the way to there to also include that piece of content. Alright, so that's how you can very easily and quickly turn your freeform content into nice printable shareable PDF. I hope this short tutorial was helpful and I will see you in the next video.